Diana here. Welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a fun unboxing. It's the time of year where Ipsy has their Glam Bag X, which is their what was it? The quarterly box. So this is their quarterly box. It comes like this. You get about 6 to 8 full-size products for $49.99. I haven't looked through it, so let's look what's inside together. So when you first open it, packaged like that. Comes with kind of like a newsletter. This box is created by Alicia Keys. And usually inside it gives you kind of a list of the products that she recommends or some of the items in the box. Okay, so let's look together. At first, I see Super Glue Unseen Sunscreen. This is 1 ounce, so the travel size, SPF of 40. I did pick a couple things for my box, and this is one of them. I don't think she put on there how much that one was, since that is like a travel one. Let me just look through it very quick. Yeah, I don't see it in here. So I think the full size is about $20 if I don't mistaken. Next I see is the Truly Unicorn Fruit Whip Body Polish. I have their oil, the body oil. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh, it's my daughter going crazy over this. So it's like exfoliant. That one, I think I've seen it. Yeah. This body scrub has a sweet scent, bouncy whip texture, and a ton of skin smoothing benefits with antioxidant-rich superfoods, vegan collagen, and hemp. It retails for $35. Next, I see Ofra On The Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. It's a full-size palette. Let's open up. I don't see this on her newsletter to see how much it is. So, oh my god, you guys. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. So there's a couple bronzers and then 3 highlighters and one that could be turned into like a blush. This California one looks like it. Yeah, with the pink. Looks like it could be a blush. Oh my god, this is beautiful palette, you guys. I didn't say how much it retails for, but I'm assuming it's about probably $40 to $50. Oh my god, I love this. I would definitely use this. Next, I see Pat McGrath's. So this is Pat McGrath's Matte Trans Lipstick. I have her lipstick, so I know. This color is Flesh 5. Her signature lip on the packaging. Oh my god, you guys, this is beautiful. Look at that. Let me swatch it. Oh, that's such a beautiful fall color. I love that. It's a matte finish, so it's not drying. I've used her lipsticks before, so I know. It's not drying at all. You could always put a gloss over if you want a little bit more hydration. But her packaging is stunning. If you guys ever tried her eyeshadow palettes, they are one of the best. Worth the money. Next is Benefit's Supercharged Black Mascara. I don't use mascaras as much just because I wear falsies all the time. But I've heard good things about this. It's supposed to lengthen and lift your lashes. I think I saw this under, yeah. It's $27 for this. Next, we have One Size Versatile Foundation Powder in the shade Medium Neutral. It might be too light for me right now just because I am tan. But yeah, it would be a perfect color. His packaging is so adorable. I love it. Yeah, it's a little bit light. It would definitely be a good winter color for me. I could use it definitely during the winter. I think this is like a soft matte. Let me look at it. Yeah, it's more of a soft matte coverage. And this retails for $33. I already got my money's worth. If you guys could see me reading off the pricings. Definitely. Oh wow, this is Patrick Ta's. I didn't know he's in Ipsy. But this is Patrick Ta's Smooth Softening Lip Mask and She's Juicy. I love Patrick Ta's packaging. Yep. Stunning. Let me smell it. I'm not going to swatch it, but I'm going to smell it. Oh, it smells like peppermint. Wait, does it have a shimmer? It has a little bit of a shimmer in there. You guys can see it. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try that. I don't know if she put it in here, how much it is. No, this one isn't in there. But usually lip masks or lip scrubs are around like $18 to $20. Maybe this one's probably $22 since it's Patrick Ta's. Lastly is one of Alicia Keys skincare. So she has a skincare line. It says Keys Soul Care. This is the Skin Transformation Cream. This, if you guys are interested in her skincare, she has a full line. Let me show it to you. This is all her skincare that so far came out. The cream helps with improved tone and texture. It retails for $32. It's very affordable. Her packaging. Let me smell it. It doesn't say it's for sensitive skin or not, so I might try it. Oh, it's nice. Let me feel the texture. It's like, oh, it's very lightweight. It's very lightweight, you guys. It's not heavy at all. It just like soaks right into the skin. I like that. For only $32. It's really good for like celebrity skincare. And that's it, you guys. That is my whole Glam X box. I am very happy with it. You guys could tell, like, based on what I've been reading about the pricings, this is way over $49.99 already. I'm so happy with this box. Lately, I've been very happy with Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So I might just keep the subscription. I was kind of iffy about keeping Glam Bag X, but it's just a quarterly subscription, so you only get it 4 times a year. And so far, I'm very happy with it. And plus, you get to pick out 2 of your items in the box. So I believe I picked the, I know I picked the super glue. I believe I picked the, this one too, the unicorn one. I bought it, I chose this, I had to, because of my daughter. She loves this brand. So I'm happy with everything I got. You guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Till we talk again, have a good day.